Well, hello again. Happy Thursday again from One Hot Bite. Melissa here, and we are gonna make grilled chicken curry flatbreads today. These are beautiful. They're so flavorful. They have so many yummy elements to it. I'm gonna show you a couple tips along the way because maybe it's some ingredients you haven't worked with before, and this is just tasty. This is not what I would consider a low calorie. I mean, it's not crazy. It's under 500. It's 453 calories per flatbread. And I'm gonna show you some of the products we use for this. It is so flavorful, so fun, and quick and easy. You could put together with just stuff that you have in your fridge. Some veggies and some rotisserie chicken. That's something always nice to have on hand. But this comes together actually really, really quick. And it's a favorite. This is a spin on a traditional pizza. If you don't like tomato sauce, I know people that don't like tomatoes, and I think that's so different to me. But if you don't like tomato sauce and you don't want to use any cheese or anything like that, this has no cheese, no tomato sauce. It has a great curry flair, Indian flavors, and it just is a palate pleaser. And we're back at it again with delicious, fresh, awesome ingredients. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button, and honestly hit the bell if you want notifications, and every time I send out a new video you'll get a notification. And those of you that haven't done that, you probably missed my baking special that I did just earlier this week. So anyhow, go back and check that video out if you haven't seen it, and let's get cooking. So we need a half a cup of shaved carrot, and I've always tried to figure out before until I learned how to do a shaved carrot, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But look at this carrot. Is that the biggest carrot you've ever seen? I don't know where they grow these things. Well, let's go ahead and shave it. Okay, I'm going to show you two ways to shave this gigantic carrot. If you have one of these grating boxes, you can pick the side that has those grooves, and you can just slide right down, and these are the beautiful shavings you're gonna get. So if you don't have one of these, you can get skinnier shavings by just using a regular peel, pressing in pretty deep, and you can get the same kind of idea. They're just a little bit skinnier, but they'll both work. Okay, we're gonna pickle our carrots in our ginger sauce first. So 1 teaspoon of sugar, a half a cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, our carrots, our ginger, we're going to bring this to boil and let it simmer for about a minute. Okay, I had mentioned that we are not going to do a tomato sauce, so this is the sauce we're going to use. We need 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1½ teaspoons of curry powder, stir this together and microwave for 45 seconds. Okay, so we have all of our ingredients put together. We have our rotisserie chicken, our pickled carrots, our snow peas, our yummy curry sauce, yogurt curry, golden raisins, cilantro, our peanuts, and now we're gonna grill our naan bread. And that's what's gonna be our flatbread. So let's get those grilled up, and then we'll assemble them together, and I'll show you how awesome they come together. I'm also gonna show you a little decoration trick. Here's my little decorating trick. I have a ketchup bottle style. I'm gonna fill it with a bunch of this, and then I'll show you how we're gonna decorate in the end. And there we have it. Another hot bite from One Hot Bite. These delicious flatbreads. Let's give it a taste and see. That is so good. So good. Finger licking good. That's what that is. So go ahead and give this one a try. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next Thursday.